In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use timesheets in QuickBooks Online. This tutorial is designed to walk you through the process of managing your time entries effectively, ensuring that you can track and manage your work hours with ease. Let's get started. First, make sure you're on the QuickBooks homepage. You'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button. This is your gateway into accessing the various tools QuickBooks provides. Once you've clicked on that, the next step is to choose QuickBooks Online as your platform of choice. This step is crucial as it directs you to the specific version of QuickBooks designed for online use. With that done, you'll need to enter your credentials. This means typing in your username and password. Ensure that these details are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once typed in, proceed by clicking Continue. This action will verify your credentials and log you into the system. On the subsequent screen, you'll need to choose your QuickBooks accountant. This selection ensures that your time entries are managed within the right accounting environment. It's important to select the correct accountant to align your time data with the corresponding financial documentation. Now, let's focus on the main part, using timesheets. Navigate to the Time option. You can find it in the menu of QuickBooks Online. Clicking on Time will open up options related to time management. Next, select Time Entries. This will take you to the section where all the time tracking is managed. It's a crucial component where you can view, edit, or add your work hours as needed. After accessing the Time Entries section, you will see the option to launch QuickBooks Time. Click on it. This will open a specialized interface designed for tracking and managing your time efficiently. Once QuickBooks Time is launched, look to the left panel and click on Time Entries. This menu provides you with several options for organizing and reviewing your tracked hours. In the Time Entries window, click Add Time. Here is where you begin to input the actual details of your time worked. Carefully fill in all the necessary fields for a single time entry. This includes the date, duration, and any notes that might help clarify what the time was spent on. Accurate entry here is key to ensuring your work records remain precise and useful for future reference. Once all the relevant details have been filled in, it's time to save your work. Click on the Save button to store your time entry in QuickBooks Online. This simple step guarantees that all your hard work tracking is safely recorded, and there you have it, a straightforward process on how to use timesheets in QuickBooks Online. Remember, practicing these steps will make you more proficient at tracking your time, ultimately aiding in better time management and productivity for your business. Thank you for watching, and happy time tracking.